in the trunk. You don't want to look in there.
So since we're over here, we're going to go revisit a grave that we came to some time ago. This is a gravestone of loving memory of Jo Ann Dewey. Now, if you guys can recall, she was the one that was caught by two brothers. And what they did was they struggled to put her into a vehicle with fighting, of course. And they end up actually murdering her and throwing her over an embankment to a water. Now, once she was there, they left. The two brothers, and of course the family, had a string of stuff behind them. They had a lot of jail and prison time. The two brothers fled to California, as you recall. They were captured out there and brought back to Washington State. And they were hung, of course. Both brothers were hung back in the time. So this is an old video that was done by us Tombstone Whispers back about some time ago. In love and memory of Jo Ann Dewey, 1931 to 1950. This was a murder crime that ran pages and pages in newspapers. Wow. Now, this was not here prior to our doing our stories of Miss Dewey. But this is a Dewey's. Anna Eunice, October 16th, 1903 to October 16th, 1994. And you got Noble Clyde, September 8th, 1886 to September 3rd, 1983. This is actually a connection to Dewey. This is a grave that us Tombstone Whisperers probably did not actually see last time we came here and did a story on Miss Dewey. Photos will be up of these two, if there's any on the internet, and we will actually give a connection if it's there. Wow. A lot more to come. Yes, that was a touching story that me and Mrs. Crime done on Mrs. Dewey. Now, we happened to be in the same cemetery doing another video, and I ran across her headstone. So I had to give her homage, respect, and also to her family that's probably still living out there. Tombstone Whispers give respect. But that was a deep, deep story. Two brothers did the murder, did not admit to it, but they were captured with evidence from an alcohol bottle and the vehicle left behind, and the alibi from his family, the brother's family. They ended up telling on them eventually. If you guys remember that story. But in Tombstone Whispers, we do so many stories and we run across old stories. I had to give her another view, another respect, and hope you guys understand. Tombstone Whispers brings it to you. Stay tuned for a lot more Tombstone Whispers.